Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the BSS Tech. So today I am introducing you how to make your gig and how to active your seller account, because if you are not making gig, it will not active your seller account. If you want to active your seller account, you have to make at least one gig, and there are maximum that you can make only 7 gigs in one account. So today we are making a gig. I will show you how to make a gig. So let's start now. First of all, now give your gig a title which are the work which will you are going to do. So just like I'm going to make a gig for a video editing, so I will just write I will do high professional video editing. Now select category, just video and animation. Select a subcategory, video editing. Now coming to the next here. Now select the type of the videos, just like it's just like the text. Select the primary type of videos you edit. The types of videos you want to edit, just like YouTube videos, family travels. You can select any kind of one. Just I am selecting this. I am expert at editing YouTube videos, so positive keywords. Now just like you have to put the keywords for the work you are doing. So just like intro, YouTube intro, video conversion, and outros. I also do voiceovers. Script videos. You have to enter maximum 5 keywords. Now click on save and continue. Now coming to the next point, the second step is about your pricing. Now you have to categorize your prices into 3 categories, just like I am naming my package silver, gold, platinum. Describe the details of your offering. I will offer good quality video editing. This Control C, Control V, Control V. Coming to the next point, now select delivery time. I will select 1 day, 1 day, 1 day. Now coming to the next, footage provided by buyer, minutes. If you want to select the minutes of footage you want, if you want to select it minutes of footage, you can select I don't want, and just leave it. Now the work you can do, select that. It's like I am going to do color grading, subtitles, thumbnails, and it's like revisions. The client is not accepting your video or the work you have done, so you have to select revisions, that how much revisions you can do for your client, 1, 2 or 3. I can simply select 1. I will do a 1 revision for my clients if they reject or have any problem in the work. Now just select price, 10, 15, 20. I don't want this. Okay, coming to the next part, basic. If you want extra, if a client is asking you to deliver in urgent basis, so if you want that you will charge extra price on it, you can simply set here. I don't want to set it. If you want to set, simply set your price here. Simple, save and continue. Subtitles, 1 day, continue. For an extra $5, now continue. Now the next is you have to briefly describe your gig. The gig you're making, you have to make a description about that. So just I'm writing it in a bit and I'll show you now. Now here I am describing my gig just like this. I have written my description. You have to write your description, a short description which will attract your buyers or your clients. Save and continue. Now the next step is get all information you need from buyers. Simply save and continue. You have to add a question. Now if you want to add a question about your details or any kind of stuff you want from your client, you have to add just I am saying here, please send me details of your work briefly. Add. Oh, just I have to. Okay, please send me details of your work briefly. Now save and continue. So the next step is simply, if you have a video that you have edited in past or a work or a portfolio of your work you did it in past time, so simply drop a video of that. So this can attract your buyer. So I didn't have my videos, I have edited but I didn't have my videos, so I will now simply add a picture of for your gig that can attract your buyers, or the picture can help to just like the picture will attract your buyer to be. Simply add your picture now according to your gig. Just I have a picture for my video gig this, and it is added. Now simply save and continue. Just I have the video of my intro. You can add a short video edited, so it will help your clients to be more satisfied. I have now video. I have edited this video. You can simply add your one video. So just now save and continue. Click I accept. Save and continue. Save and preview. Yes, save and continue. Now here is some kind of a you have to fill this contact email. You have to fill your email. First name, company, Fiverr, address, six 6020. Next, address not verified. Now the second is like, you know, you have to add your text form. So address, you have to fill the perfect address. Now simply click on publish gig. Your gig is open for business, and that's is the interface that you can see on your screen. Now click on done. Just like this. Now your seller account is activated and aligned. That was the simple method for creating account on Fiverr and how to activate your seller account on Fiverr. Thank you so much.